All right, so I'm gonna do a little demonstration on how to help one of the babies eat with mama. So Cinnabon right here, she's mom. She's a really good and relaxed rabbit. I just flipped her upside down, and this is her baby who missed a feeding. So I'm just gonna put baby on there. Baby knows exactly what to do. I'm just helping support the baby, and I'm holding mama's arms up. Mom is very comfortable right now. She's also a really good rabbit, so that's something to take into consideration. Not every rabbit will be okay doing this, but I'm just helping the baby find the nipple, and I'm just holding it so it doesn't roll off. But this is just, if one of your babies misses a feeding, this is a good way to help them out so you don't have to end up syringe feeding them. This just takes them around 2 to 5 minutes. Luckily, she had 9 babies. Out of all 9 of them, only one, the runt, missed a feeding. So we're just gonna help him out, and then she'll be good for the rest of the day. And then chances are this one will catch the next feeding. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and make sure you subscribe and follow. Thank you so much. And if you have any more rabbit questions, let me know in the comments. All right, thank you.